Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it wasn't doing a shot and it was also leaking from the back, and when we opened the machine up we find that the solenoid valve was completely rusted, as you can definitely see here, and that was because the boiler gaskets needed to be replaced. They were pretty worn out, as you can see. Just for comparison, this is a new one over here, and they were just pretty much leaking all over the machine, and the machine was going haywire. That's why one of the problems this is here is that the machine will just do grinding noise when it was plugged in, and that definitely happens when there's a lot of wire going around here. There's a bunch of wires coming out from here. So we replaced the gasket, replaced all of that, and now the machine is working perfectly fine. So let's do one shot espresso. First we gotta fill the tank. There you go. And now the shot. You can see really good water flow. A little bit too fast, the grind might need to be a little bit more finer, but good shot nonetheless. And you can see the water flow coming from the shower screen. Really great. Steamer working perfectly as well. Machine works perfectly fine. Okay, thank you for your break with Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.